Alright, so because I told Seamus that Nolan had bigger balls than him, Seamus is gonna take how many?
5.
I'm gonna get to fucking crack this kid with 5 paintballs. I'm pretty excited about it. Hey Bryce. Anyways, yeah, let's fucking do it. Wait, Chester? Chester. Cool cowboy hat.
Man.
So, YOLO?
I feel safer with the mask on.
Pussy.
Whatever. Alright, fuck it, YOLO.
Wait, why are you doing this?
I have bigger balls than Nolan.
And?
I don't give a fuck, YOLO.
No, and?
Oh, dude, I don't know.
What club do you want to join?
Oh, I'm gonna be in the 14s.
Maybe. Maybe. Alright, let's do it. You
Just
ready?
don't stop. 5, keep going.
Prepare yourself. Want a countdown?
No.
10, 9, 8.
Oh, fuck!
Oh my god!
Shit. Ow. Fuck, that hurts.
Oh god! Oh,
Push the baby!
Whatever, man. I don't care.
These balls are so big!
Oh, alright, that was starting to hurt.
I'm gonna cry.
Fuck!
I'm gonna
I can
pee,
taste
dude.
paint.
Why'd you throw my cowboy hat?
I don't know.
That's awesome!